Hello friends, welcome in DSA series. Variables. What is variable? A variable is a name or storage location in a program that holds a value which can change during execution. A variable is like a container where you store data. Example: int number equals to 10, int data type number variable name. 10 value stored in the variable. Rules for variable. 1. Must start with a letter or underscore. Valid is underscore count. Invalid one name @ value. Second, cannot use keywords. Reserve words. Int class and return. Invalid. Valid int value class name. 3. No space allowed. My space name invalid. My name, my underscore name. Only letters, digits and underscore allowed. Valid total 1 user underscore name. Invalid user hyphen name price $. Case sensitive. Age and age are different variables. Should be meaningful. Good. A student marks total price. Bad. XABC. Unless very short use like loops. Use proper naming style. Best practice. Camel case. Java C JavaScript. First name total marks. A snake case. Python. First name total marks. Length should be reasonable. Good. Num students. Too long. Number of students in classroom section A. Keywords. Java keywords are reserved words which predefined, meaning that cannot be used as identifiers in a program. Data types: int, double, boolean, control flow, if, else, for, while. Class structure: class, new, this. Access control: public, private, protected. Exception handling: try, catch, throw, etc. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.